Alright guys, on a journey to trade $1,000 to $50,000 within 30 days. Today is day 6 and we are currently on the $11,000. So at the close of today we expect to at least get up to $13,000 to $15,000 today. Let's see how today will play out. I've already taken like 3 trades so far with a loss set of 0.92, and then I will expect this trade to be successful. So I came back to check out the trade, and already we are in profit, which I closed one of the trade, then remaining 2 trade, and we are already in $1,400 in profit. So I'm going to close these 2 trades now, and then try and open a new one once the market retraces. Then already closed that one, then I opened another one, then came back and I saw that the market is already in profit. Then we are already in $13,000 in profit, and I expect the 7 to be another successful one. We are trading BTC USDT pair, and then as time goes on we will continue to increase our lot size. So I'm closing this trade now, and then I will wait for another trade. Then I've taken like 3 trades already today. Then the other trade is currently moving towards stop loss. We expect it not to hit our stop loss. So these are previous trade that we have taken so far this week to make up this $13,000 that we are on our day 6. So these are our previous profits so far, and then we expect more profit to come. We don't expect to get to where we lose money or hit stop loss. So we'll do as much as possible to protect this account and then grow it to $50,000 within 30 days. So I'll keep you guys updated on our daily progress. So if you want to join us and trade with us, I've created a WhatsApp and Telegram channel where we will be sharing with you our daily trades. So this whenever we take any trade here, we'll also post it on that Telegram group. And if you are new to trading and you want to join and learn how to trade, we will show you here in that Telegram group and also in this channel. So subscribe and then follow us on our Facebook page, and then like this video if you find this video interesting, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow.